we have to open an egg. Let's put the egg here. Can we put it there? Very good.
What happened, Mommy?
That's the egg. You see?
What's doing?
Well, it's sitting there. Can we scramble it? You want to try it? Well, let's scramble it really fast. Mommy's gonna try it, yes? Very good. You're gonna be my cameraman. Let's scramble it better. Didn't we?
Yes.
How does it look?
No.
Good? Okay. Now we have to put 1 tablespoon of oil. Can you put it there? This tablespoon of oil? Good job, sweetie. Good job. Very good. Now we have to mix it. Can you please mix it? Very good.
Why are you doing, Mom?
Okay, now let's put 2 tablespoons of milk. You want to do that? Let's put them there. Very good, sweetie. That's 1. And another one. Very good, my love. That's 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we have to mix it up again. Can you? Very good. Good job. Good job, good job. Okay.
What happened?
Now it's all mixed, all scrambled together.
Oh, it's glad.
Yes, very good. Now let's do the sugar.
Let's do sugar.
Yes. We have to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, okay? So, and let's count while we add them. 1. Oh, you're gonna add that one? Very good. 2. Very good. And 3. Amazing. Amazing.
Now what?
And now flour. This is all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of flour.
It's not the one, no.
Yes, it's this one. Come on, you want to put it there? That's, can you help me count? 1. And, can you help me count? 2. Good job. Good job. And finally, let's do 3 tablespoons of cocoa. Can you help me count? 1, 2, very good. That one fell outside of the mug a little bit. And 3. Good job, olive oil. Good job. And now we have to mix it all together. Can you mix it all together, please? Very good. Very good. Good job. With a little help, we have mixed it all together until there are no lumps. Yes?
No, there are no lumps.
No lumps. Are you ready to cook it?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready to go cook it. Okay, so now we're gonna cook the brownie. And to cook the brownie, we're gonna put 1 napkin and we're gonna put the mug on top of it and now some water. Right, sweetie?
What are you doing?
And we're gonna cook it. A little bit more. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna cover it with tinfoil. Good job. We've covered it with a tinfoil. Don't hit it. Very good. Now we have to turn it on and let it cook slowly for 20 to 25 minutes. Don't touch it. Now it's hot because the stove is on. So we gotta be careful. Okay. See you in a little bit, Brownie. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so the time has passed. It looks like our mug brownie is ready. As you can see. Let's test it before we take it out. There you go. There you go, and this is the delicious brownie. Okay, so as you can see, that's it. The brownie is ready. There you go, delicious. That's it, guys. Some delicious mug brownie you can totally make with your kids in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.